Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of plant growth prediction system using machine learning or deep learning algorithm. And for this purpose, we are using convolutional neural network to predict the growth of the plant. Now it will be useful to the farmers to identify the stage of their plant, at what stage the plants are, and based on that they can plan the fertilizers or the pesticides to their plants. So it is very much important, and this will be a automatic system which is going to identify this thing. And secondly, it can be a system where it is autonomously monitoring the large farming area, and it is autonomously giving notifications to the farmers or something like that. Can be the thing which can be implemented under this system. Now, for the implementation purpose, the convolutional neural network algorithm is used, and the Python programming language is used along with the Flask framework. And at the front end side, the HTML and CSS coding is used. So once we run the application, we will have to open this localhost 5000, and then we can see this is the front page. Here you can add or change the images, and also there is in the about us page where also you can add and extra information. And this is the important page. Here we have to upload the plant image. Now for example, from the dataset, if I upload this image, click on upload and then just test, then it is predicting this is the mid stage plant. And if I go for the full growth image, then upload and then test, this is done for the sugarcane plants. So it is full grown plant, so this can monitor and just let us know, okay, what is the stage of the plant, and accordingly the farmer can, once the stage is known, farmer can plan the pesticides and the fertilizers. And also for the large farming areas, it will autonomously monitor the area, and based on that it can give notifications to farmer the stage of their plant. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. In case you need the code of this project along with the data set and all, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.